Hi everyone, today we're exploring the Johnson & Johnson All-Purpose Portable Compact First Aid Kit with 140 pieces designed for minor cuts, scrapes, sprains, and burns. This kit is perfect for home, car, travel, and outdoor emergencies, offering a wide range of essential supplies like cleansing wipes, gauze pads, assorted bandages, and antibiotic cream. It includes Band-Aid brand adhesive bandages in various sizes and non-stick pads for larger wounds. You'll also find a full-size Neosporin plus pain relief cream to prevent infection and soothe pain, plus extra-strength Benadryl itch-stopping cream for quick itch relief. The kit contains Tylenol extra strength caplets and a Bengay non-medicated instant cold pack to ease aches and pains. Plus, there are 2 pairs of gloves and a helpful first aid guide to assist you during emergencies. This compact kit is your reliable companion for quick, effective care whenever and wherever you need it. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.